ito social media than to listen to the teacher. Sa iba, ay mga teacher, danay, damon pagapamusa. Damon itong hirang mga pagpinansaway, itong bata, no? Danay itong pagtuntog. Kaya naaagaw itong attention in teachers with regards to this thing. How much more at this generation where itong social media that try to distract the children that they are going to hold. Are we fruitful in doing our ministry, in teaching them of what we want them to understand and to know? Makabukuhan ko rin ito, sa ipaman, ang ating pagtundo, we could only do as much as we could have. You as a teacher, you have the capacity to teach the lesson na iyong makakaya. But again, parents has a great task of teaching these children. Diba? Aray kong mga anak. But of course, you as a teacher, you stand also as a parent to these children in the iyong classroom. Maybe the best that we could give, especially yung mga bata pa rin, ay pa rin, mga ganyan pa rin, mga bubukol pa rin, mga sinupunod, the best that we could give to them, yes, to teach them something, to understand, but also more, to teach them about love and about relationship with one another. Diba? Kaya naman, ang ating mga kabataan niya na magtig at ulo. Ang normal, wala man ito hubod. Ang ating mga mahumong ito, pag ito